Hey geeks, so it is time to change again. So if you have been following my channel, and at the time of this video I've been on YouTube and other places on the internet for more than 11 years, then you know that I've tried a lot of different things. So whenever I uploaded my first video here on YouTube in October 2013, my videos and content was basically video gaming because that's something I absolutely love. And then over time, it moved over to video gaming, movies, tech news, and then later Linux. And that was a big shift. Thank you for all my Linux users out there. And then it kind of went into the direction of a creator channel. So I did more gear, tech reviews. I have a lot of tutorials on my channel. I have over, like near 2,000 videos. I can't remember, but total I probably have closer to 3,000, which includes all my other channels. So anyways, there's definitely been a lot of changes, and with change, there's both good and bad. And so let's start off with the bad because I don't want to sugarcoat it. So if you are on YouTube or other platforms, the algorithms, there's something that even though some people like to downplay it, it is huge. Because without the algorithms, your videos, even if they are better or the same as your previous videos, it could not be seen because the algorithms are not pushing it. I've experienced that myself, but some people have not. So with all that being said, since I've done so many different types of content, it's basically a collection of different types of content. And whenever you do that, that's something that the algorithms normally do not like because it doesn't know who to show your videos to. And whenever that happens, typically your channel is not going to grow as fast, or you're actually going to lose growth and views. And that's exactly what happened to my channel. So I kept changing so much, and eventually it just kept going downhill. So because of that, a lot of times I kind of feel like there's nothing to lose. And so let me just create a whole bunch of content, and hopefully it'll find the right people. And I've tried to niche down further. And other things that I've tried before, I had a gaming channel, movie content. So because of that, I split those out into their own channels so they are in their own niche. And so that has helped. But overall, if you are a creator, I think the biggest challenge, I think for anyone, is finding content that first you enjoy creating. Because you can't just ride the wave and just do whatever that gets views and subscribers. But that's only going to last so long, because at the end of the day, if you do not enjoy creating this type of content, it's going to be super difficult for you to create for the long term. And then the second big challenge is finding an audience for your content, finding your community, and that is really hard. But once you find them, it is simply amazing because your community, the people that actually watch, support your channel, and give feedback are the most important things, because you could have the best content in the world, but if it doesn't connect with people, it really doesn't matter, because they're not going to come back and watch it. They're not going to recommend your channel. And so that's kind of like the biggest challenge for any creator. Finding content that you enjoy, and then finding people who also enjoy it, you can connect. And then if you are doing this as a business, now this is a big thing. For some people, it's the number one thing, and that's basically making money from your channel. And so those three things are the biggest. And now it's getting to what the topic of this video is. And you probably noticed, if you've been watching my videos for the past few days, that it's primarily been travel content, specifically here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I have created travel content before. I actually have a playlist called Geek Travels. You can check that out. And for me, this entire creative journey is also a journey for my life, okay? Because a lot of people would think of it as something that's a hobby or something you do for fun. And while all of those things may be true, it is also a life journey. Because over the years doing this, it truly has changed who I am, and truly, directed me in places that I never thought would be possible. And now I'm here. This is kind of like a dream for me. I've always wanted to do this for years and years. And now I'm here, and I want to share that with you, the community. And so the first thing I want to say, as always, is super, super big thank you for all the people who've been here on my channel, especially those who've been here since the beginning. I can't tell you how grateful I am for all of you being here and still sticking around despite all the many changes. And then secondly, for all the new people who've come here, if this is something that you enjoy, you can understand and kind of connect with what I'm trying to put out there, and hopefully you get some type of value. First, I want to say thank you and welcome. And so in terms of this new travel content, this is probably going to be the main content that I have for now, because I am going to be traveling for quite a while. And that's something that is really important to me. And hopefully it'll be something that's enjoyable for you as well. Now, I will have other types of content in between. At the end of the day, this whole creative journey is not only for myself, but I want to share what I've learned and experienced with you, in the hopes that if you do decide to pursue a more creative life, then this will help you in some ways. And if you look at my channel, I have, like hundreds and hundreds of videos, tutorials on how you could be a creator starting from nothing. And so hopefully that will help you get started quicker on your creative journey. So that is my video today on time to change again. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another video. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.